Hello, my lovely learners and my wonderful learning coaches. Welcome to this video of how to um, log into Zearn, complete a Zearn assignment, and to upload it to Canvas. So let's get started. First, once you are in Canvas and in the assignment, and if you can't remember how to navigate Canvas, watch the Canvas help video. But you are going to just click on this little icon right here that says Zearn Math with the brain. Click on that and it'll take you to the login page. Oops. Let me sign out so you can see the login page. There we go. It'll take you to this page. You are going to sign in with Clever down here where the C is. Click sign in with Clever and that will take you right to your home screen. Now, for me, it shows my teacher screen. Yours is going to look like this. I'm going to try Zearn as a student. So yours will look similar to this. It won't look exactly like this, but it'll look similar to it. So what you're going to do then, you can see these ones are either, this one it says the lesson is unlocked, and we've done lesson 1. It says lesson completed, power of tower completed, moving in the plane completed. So these are completed things, but this is what we still need to do. Now, yours is going to look a little bit different. This is a higher grade, upper grade one. Yours will always start with a number gym, and it'll say start. Then it will have a sprint, and then it will have a lesson. And the lesson will look similar to this one, and it'll be unlocked. And then after the lesson, it will have the power of tower right here. And so you will click the start button. And then it's going to be different whether you're doing a number gym or a sprint, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Click start, pick the correct symbol to compare the values. You have 120 seconds, so we're going to click the right values. So what is 14 plus 16? And they are equal to, and then you click, and then I've got 34, and that one is greater than. Now I have 34 plus 6, that is equal to, and I'm going to miss one just so you can see what happens if I miss it. I'm going to miss that one. So you can see how it turned it red. And so I get to another try. So I'll try it again. And that one, it turned it the right color. And so you'll just keep doing that until you're all done. Let's see. That is lesson. And it lets you keep trying until you get it right. 10, 40, that's equal to. And so you'll keep going. This one is greater than. And I don't know how many problems it has. And then when you're done, it will take you back to the home screen like we have. I don't know if it'll put me in that same thing or let me, yeah. And then you'll go to the next part. You know you're done. You have to finish the Tower of Power. When you have finished the Tower of Power, you will get a picture that says Zearn lesson 1 or lesson 2, whatever lesson we're on, complete. And then they'll say love it and done. And you can, if you loved the lesson, you can click that. If you didn't like it, you don't have to click that, but click done. Before you click done though, make sure you take a screenshot of that certificate that says lesson done. And then you will, after you take a screenshot, you will upload that to Canvas. If you can't remember how to take a screenshot, watch the screenshot tutorial video. But all you'll do is you'll go back to up here to your Zearn, and it will have a start assignment button. So you'll click start assignment. You'll click upload file. You'll click choose a file, and this is going to show you all my files, but it'll be the very top one, whatever is the last thing you took a screenshot of, and you'll click on that. You'll open, and I'm not going to do that because that will put it in here. And then you will watch it load, make sure it loads all the way, and then submit assignment. And you'll know you're done because confetti will come down and you will have submitted that assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know. I would love to help you. And we will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.